East Penn's wire, cable, and battery accessory division is recognized globally for our diverse product line and state-of-the-art manufacturing. From design to product delivery, we offer the finest products in the industry. We manufacture our own wire and cable at our 250,000 square foot world-class facility. This gives us total control of our product quality and the flexibility to respond to customer needs. Let's take a closer look at our equipment, quality, and processes that go into the production of our products. When manufacturing copper wire and cable, we start with solid 5/16 copper rod. All of our copper rod is purchased from U.S. suppliers. First, the rod is drawn into a smaller strand using high-precision equipment. The copper rod is run through a series of dies, which reduces the copper rod down to a 14-gauge wire. The 14-gauge copper wire is then coiled into a basket. Each basket has approximately 250,000 feet of copper and weighs about 3,000 pounds. The coiled baskets are then brought to a payoff machine. The ends of the copper from each basket are welded together for a continuous, efficient process. The copper is then run through a machine that draws the wire, reducing the size of the wire down to anywhere from 20 through 30 gauge. It only takes 6 feet of the 5/16 copper rod that we started with to make 1 mile of 30-gauge conductor. Once drawn to the desired gauge, the wire goes through an annealing process. This softens the wire by heating it with electricity. Heating the wire adds flexibility as the manufacturing process continues. Next, 6 to 10 strands of wire are fed or flown on side by side onto a static spool. The process of flying the wire onto the spool prevents tangling. Tangled wire can interrupt the manufacturing process and affect the quality of the finished product. Once the wire is flown onto the spool, it is run through flyers to get the wires ready for bunching. The flyers are magnetic, which creates consistent tension throughout the entire reel. To bunch the wire, individual strands from each flyer enter a reel buncher, where they are twisted into a single bunched group. East Penn is able to make bunched groups of different sizes. The more strands in a bunched group, the more flexible the finished product will be. For larger gauge wire, previously bunched groups are twisted together in a large reel buncher. East Penn is able to bunch to different specifications depending on a customer's desired finished product. To ensure the highest product quality, samples are taken from every reel to be cut, measured, and weighed to ensure that all necessary SAE, UL, and CSA specifications are met. Next, the insulation or jacket is formed around the wire using an extrusion process. PVC pellets are fed in from exterior silos. Using friction and heat, the PVC pellets and color concentrates are mixed and melted to create jacketing material. The molten PVC is applied directly onto the wire through an extruder crosshead. Once the jacketed material is applied to the wire, it is submerged in chilled, recycled water so the wire will be ready for printing. Using either a contact printer or inkjet printer, a description is printed on for identification. East Penn is able to custom print to meet our customers' needs. After the wire has been printed, it is run through another important quality check. A spark tester is used to detect breaks in PVC, jacketing defects, and exposed copper. This is just another way East Penn ensures our customers get only the highest quality products. Once tested, the finished wire is accumulated onto reels. The accumulator runs continuously, even during reel changes, which makes the production process as efficient as possible. East Penn is able to make many different products from our wire. One of our most popular products is trailer lighting cable. To make trailer lighting cable, primary wires of different colors are fed into a large buncher, which twists the wires into the proper cable configuration. The twisted group is then run through an extruder, where the jacket is applied. Another popular product is our bonded parallel wire. To make bonded parallel wire, finished primary wires of different colors simultaneously move through a gluing process to bond the wire together. Gluing the wires together means they can be easily separated without the frustration of tearing or cutting the jacket material. We know that not all of our customers want large reels of wire. Keeping our customers' needs in mind, East Penn has a re-spooling department, which gives us the capability to re-spool large reels of wire into smaller packages. East Penn's wire, cable, and battery accessory division combines our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility with the most dedicated, experienced, and trusted team. This adds up to quality, consistency, and performance our customers can depend on. East Penn has all of your wire and cable needs covered.